Adam Odell Infinite Momentum Summit legit? Adam Odell Infinite Momentum hour-long summit has been getting a lot of attention because he reveals his new investment system that uses the computational power of artificial intelligence, AI, to find stocks that go up in the long term, with infinite momentum. Adam claims that his new AI-driven stock system can beat the market 300 to 1. But, having said all that, is his stock system that good? Can he realistically beat the market 300 to 1 with an AI-based system, or is this just the latest campaign to get people to sign up for a newsletter and nothing more? We did extensive research into Adam's claims and looked into his past investment recommendations before putting together this article where you'll find out what Adam's system really is and whether it is legit. Before I start, if you're tired of scams and want a real solution for making money online, check out my #1 recommendation. Click on the video in screen now to see the best business to start in 2024. Adam Odell's Infinite Momentum Summit focuses on a new and breakthrough AI system that can beat the market and allow ordinary investors to easily make profits. Backed by Adam's research and 24 years of data, the system is expected to harness the true power of AI and has the power to beat the market by 300 to 1. His strategy can be boiled down to this: buy stocks during their peak momentum, sell them when they fatigue, and replace them with a new stock showing new momentum. That's how they create infinite momentum. Up until now, Adam has been relying on green zone power ratings that rate stocks from 0 to 100 based on 6 metrics: momentum, size, volatility, value, quality, growth. He's been using it to buy stocks for the long haul and claims it has been outperforming the market 3 to 1. Just to clarify, when Adam says he beat the market X to 1, it means that he has achieved a return on his investment that is X times greater than the return of the market benchmark. For example, if the market benchmark is the S&P 500 and he claims to have beaten it 2 to 1, it means that his investment has returned twice as much as the S&P 500 over a specific period of time. However, the new AI system focuses on the short term. He says that now all he cares about is the next 30 days and, therefore, he finds stocks that have that momentum for at least 30 days. The system does its analysis based on thousands of data points. He says that the infinite momentum system also does well during a bear market. All this is based on backtests. If you are unfamiliar with this, backtesting is a method used to assess the viability of a trading strategy by simulating how it would have performed using historical data. It allows traders and analysts to evaluate the risk and profitability of a strategy before committing any actual capital. When formulating a trading strategy, backtesting helps traders interpret the past and provide statistical feedback for their trading system. It also helps quantify risk and return, leading to more efficient trades. Traders can use backtesting to compare multiple strategies before risking their capital. Adam's whole pitch is based on how his system could have performed based on historical data. He's written a special report titled AI Unchained, Beating the Market 300 to 1 with Infinite Momentum, which is supposed to give you exact instructions on executing the right trades to position yourself for maximum profits. How does Adam Odell Infinite Momentum Alert work? The membership includes access to the Infinite Momentum Alert model portfolio, showcasing all open and closed trade recommendations, and providing transparent insights into stocks, losses, and duration of holdings. Is Adam Odell Infinite Momentum Summit legit? Yes, Adam Odell Infinite Momentum strategy is legit, but before you dive headfirst into it and start following his recommendations, you should be aware that there are no assurances that it will work. In fact, in his pitch, he reveals that his assertions are based on the results of backtests on his system. Relying solely on backtesting when evaluating the efficacy of a trading strategy has several downsides. Historical bias. Backtesting relies on historical data. Overfitting. It's easy to tailor a strategy to fit historical data perfectly, optimizing for the past without considering how the strategy would perform in unseen future scenarios. Transaction costs and slippage. Backtesting often doesn't adequately account for transaction costs, slippage, or liquidity issues. Curve fitting. Traders might tweak parameters and rules to fit historical data perfectly, creating a strategy that is overly complex and unlikely to perform well in real trading due to its complexity and reliance on specific historical patterns. Unforeseen events. Backtesting cannot anticipate unforeseen events like geopolitical crises, natural disasters, or sudden economic changes that significantly impact markets. Psychological factors. Backtesting doesn't account for the psychological aspect of trading. Adam Odell Infinite Momentum Summit verdict. Artificial intelligence-based systems like Adam's infinite momentum system can be used to analyze the stock market and have become increasingly prevalent in recent years. AI and machine learning algorithms can process vast amounts of financial data, historical stock prices, trading volumes, news sentiment, macroeconomic indicators, and other relevant factors. However, it's important to note that the stock market is complex and influenced by numerous unpredictable factors. AI-based predictions are not foolproof and come with risks. Before you leave, if you're tired of scams and want a real solution for making money online, check out my #1 recommendation. Click pop-up video on the screen to see the best business to start in 2024.